Today, you will learn how to alternate row colors in Word table, step by step. First, click inside the table. You will notice a new Table Design tab on the top. This tab contains many ready-made table styles that can instantly improve the appearance of your table. Now look for the Table Style Options area. Here you will find an option called Banded Rows. Make sure the Banded Rows checkbox is enabled. Once it is turned on, Word will automatically apply alternating colors to the rows in your table. Usually, one row will have a light shade while the next row remains white or uses a different shade. This creates a striped effect that makes the table easier to read. If you do not immediately see the color change, try selecting a different table style from the gallery. Different styles use different color combinations, so you can choose the one that best matches your document. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.